Hello friends, good morning everyone. Up till now, we have seen lot of videos on PHP PostgreSQL. Like using PHP PostgreSQL, we have seen database operation like insert, update, delete, and we have seen Ajax using PHP PostgreSQL. Then we have seen Java database connectivity to PostgreSQL. Then we have seen JSP using PostgreSQL. So today we are going to see how to connect PHP to PostgreSQL. What are the settings required to connect PHP to the PostgreSQL? So let us go through it. Now here we will go through this site. First of all, sudo apt-get update. Sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay, fine. Then we will see how to load the driver. Instead of 7.2, we will try 7.3. Yes, it is loading. Okay, done. Now we will make the changes permanent. We will restart Apache. Sudo then service, sudo service Apache 2. Then Postgres service needs to be restarted. Sudo service PostgreSQL. Now we will see the code. Then we will see connectivity code. Okay. PHP delimiters, then pg underscore connect. This is the function which is required to connect to the Postgres database. Host is equal to localhost, because I am not attached to any network. DB name is equal to Sam, user is equal to Sachin, password is equal to Sachin123 or die connection failed, echo success. Now we will run this program. Localhost db psql connect dot. Yes, connection is successful. Now let us see, we will create one table. emp, then int emp number, int primary key, ename varchar 40, then insert into p values, then 1 Sachin, 2 Amit. Okay, now we will see, modify the code. Since we have been connected, then we need to write dollar query is equal to select star from emp, then dollar result is equal to pg query, then dollar query or die failed. Now while dollar row is equal to pg fetch array dollar result, then echo dollar row is equal to what you have taken here, emp number, p number, then we will see then we are seeing ename. Okay, now we will see the execution of the program. Yes, 1 Sachin, 2 Amit. So we are successfully connected to the Postgres database and we have fetched the values from database. Thank you.